Well, hello, it's GMODISM here, and this time I'm going to show you how to install SIM cards into a phone. GMODISM. So this is a dual SIM card phone, and here I have two SIM cards, and both of these needs to be installed. And if you have two SIM cards or not, the phone should really say it when you kind of buy it, so check for that. Most phones do not have the capability of having dual SIM cards, so if your phone can take dual SIM cards, it should probably say so when you bought it. So, what do we need? Well, we need a paper clip in case you don't have this little rod thing that you extract the tray with that you got with your phone. Try to not use a sharp needle. If you use a needle, make sure it's not one of those sharp ones because you might damage the internals. And also try to avoid wooden toothpicks because you might break them off. So right, how do we extract this little thing? Well, inside of here you can see there is a tiny little hole here. This little hole is where we put the extractor. And the extractor can sometimes be placed onto this little tray cover area here too. It should be in close vicinity. So take a paper clip and bend it out a little bit, and then you'll take it and just insert it in this little hole, and when you feel it's inserted, you carefully but firmly press like that. Now you can remove it, and here you can see the tray can now be extracted. Very nice. This tray is a little bit special because it has space for one SIM card, two SIM cards and a micro SD card. A lot of dual SIM phones can only take two SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card, so make sure you check that before you buy your stuff. Before inserting any of the SIM cards, we need to make sure that we actually have the PIN codes for the SIM cards. So if you don't have the PIN cards, you'll need to look at the little plastic card that comes with a SIM card, because you'll need the PIN code in order to unlock the SIM card when you put it in the phone. And the code again should be on the little plastic card that came with your SIM card. And if you can't find it, you can restore it with a PUC code, and if you can't find that either, you'll have to contact the issuer of the SIM card. So on this little tray here, I put my little SD card. Make sure you line them up properly so they fit. All connections should be below, like that. Now you just take your phone and the tray and make sure that those little cards line up nicely inside of there, and just click. Very nice. Now you'll come to the part where you have to write in the code for the SIM card, and if you make it wrong several times, the SIM card will lock, so write in the right code. And for the other one. And there we go, we're in the phone and the SIM cards are there. If you haven't already, the phone will ask you to set up the SD card if you haven't formatted it or don't have anything on it. Now go into Settings application and search for SIM. And here we go, SIM cards and mobile networks. And here you can set up which SIM card will be default for calling and which SIM card will be default for using internet, because you probably use one of them for internet, like most people. You can also set it up to ask every time which card to use when making a new call. But I'll have one for calling and one for just the internet. And you just set it up there, and then you can exit this little area. You have now successfully installed two SIM cards. Congratulations! If this video helped you, please leave a like and do subscribe for future content. I'll see you next time. This is your host GMODISM, signing out.